everyone! So this is another video in English 8.2. It's an entry to the contest that Sarah is holding in her channel. Her channel is My Mommy Loves Makeup and she's holding a contest celebrating the Earth Day. So the main issue about the contest is fauna and flora. I'm not wearing the nails right now because I made the nails and the day after I have to go to school, so I need to take them out. And now I'm wearing just a simple nail polish. However, I'm gonna be showing you what I've done to my nails after this small intro. The contest is about fauna and flora, as I said. However, we need to choose a specific issue to do. So I've choose fauna nails. I have some fauna and flora nails. However, I'm going to choose the fauna them as the main. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to be showing how I did my nails with a small tutorial, just a slideshow. Good luck, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.